Now let us consider the second method, that is substitution method. We'll consider the same examples which we have considered for the first method, that is 5x minus 3y equal to 8 and 3x plus y equal to 2. In this method, let us consider the second equation. Y is equal to 2 plus 3x will change to minus 3x. So from the second equation, after rearranging the terms, we got y is equal to 2 minus 3x. This value of y you will substitute in equation first. Substitute in equation first. 5x minus 3 into bracket. Instead of y, we'll put 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now, write 5x as it is. With minus 3, multiply inside the bracket. That is, you have to open the bracket. Minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6. Then minus into minus will be plus. 3 into 3x will be 9x is equal to 8. Now solve this equation. 5x and 9x will get added and transfer minus 6 to the other side. It will change to plus 6. What is 5x plus 9x? It is 14x. 8 plus 6 also 14. So you are getting x is equal to 14 by 14. So you get x equal to 1. Now I got the value of x. The next step is you have to find value of y. So for that, put x is equal to 1 again in this equation. So what you'll get? Y is equal to 2 minus 3 into 1. Instead of x, I am writing 1. So y is equal to 2 minus 3. 3 into 1, 3. So y is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 3 you will get minus 1. So as that of the previous equation, I got the same solution. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 by substitution method. This method is called as substitution method. Now the third method is graphical method. Again I will consider the same example, same equation, that is 5x minus 3y equal to 8, 3x plus y equal to 2. So for graphical method, you have to, just like in 9th standard, you have to draw these two tables for both the equations. You have to select value of x, y and xy. Now select value of x and y in such a way that after solving this equation you get LHS equal to RHS. That is, if I'll select x as 1 and y as minus 1, so what I'll get? 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into minus 1 will be plus 3. 5 plus 3 I am getting equal to 8. So I have selected x as 1, y as minus 1. Similarly, in the next case, in the second case, I have selected x as 4 and y as 4. So 5 fours are 20, 3 fours are 12. 20 minus 12 equal to 8. So these values are correct. Then I have selected x as 7 and y as 9. 5 into 7, 35. 3 into 9, 27. 35 minus 27 comes out to be 8. So now the first table for the first equation is complete. Let us move to second table for second equation, where x I have selected equal to 1, y I have selected equal to minus 1. 3 minus 1 I got equal to 2. Then in second column I have selected x as 0. 3 into 0 is 0 and y as 2. 0 plus 2 comes out to be 2. So the value is 0 and 2. In this third column I have selected x as 2 and y as minus 4. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 comes out to be equal to 2. So the values are 2 and minus 4. Now the next step is you have to take a graph paper, and as you know, on the graph paper you have to draw x-axis vertical, y-axis. x-axis horizontal, vertical y-axis. Now go on writing down the coordinates. Okay, now let us plot the first table, x as 1 and y as minus 1. So this value, it comes out to be here, x as 1 and y as minus 1. So you get this point. Then x as 4 and y as 4, you are getting it here. Then x as 7 and y as 9, you are getting it here. Then move to second table, x as 1 and y as minus 1, x as 1, y as minus 1, again you get it here. Then x as 0, y as 2, x as 0 and y as 2, you will get here. Then x as 2 and y as minus 4, x2, y minus 4, you will get it here. Now you have to draw a line passing through these points. For first equation, the line comes out to be in this way. The line should be straight and it should include all 3 points. This is the line for first equation. Second equation, the line comes out to be this. Again here it is passing through all 3 points and the line should be straight one. This is the line for second equation. Where 2 lines intersect, they intersect here at this point. That is x is 1 and y is minus 1. So the solution of this equation is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. X equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution. It is called as solution set of these 2 equations. So hence we saw by 3 methods the solution comes out to be same.